morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you see this this vlog. Welcome to Vlogmas Day. I'm a tell you. Vlogmas Day 21. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. Okay. Now today, I'm gonna say all this madness right here. So I me twist them up last time, wash it and twist it up last night, my love. Anyways, I'm gonna get it done. Some edges, then that's I'm gonna braid my ear, you know. Little edges when I come back, I'ma say, look at that. Anyways, bless up on a nice clean self, and I'll see you in the next clip. Look at girl nails, honey. Oh. So guys, I'm getting my hair done by the Great Flex Artistry. So when she do her thing, I'll come back, okay?
Where the fuck are my clothes, Jesse?
We're halfway there, guys. Okay, guys. Me, I'm a big breadfruit head. Look at that. About to glow all the way up. Okay, stay tuned. Wanna see me along with my tongue in my mouth? Anyways, guys, see you then.
The Lord's surprise will be honored. Rebecca will marry. You want to
It's halfway there, people. Swalala. How are you doing?
It's a joke. He will survive and recover his vocal talents. Does that satisfy you?
Not the slightest. Don't ever punch yourself for it, Jennifer. Not easily satisfying. It's the sign from the seal. I'll be taking Ask him now.
If you wake him before he's healed, the spell won't take. That's no way to treat a friend. Yeah.
Oh, so them come up through over
Want the
there?
gin?
Sometimes they come up through, sometimes they go down through.
The gin's already long gone.
Dirty time in parallel.
You go on. Tell me how stuff works. The gene is tied to this plane and its master. How many wishes did the bard express before he lost his voice?
You need just give him his last wish so you can capture it.
So that's 2 then.
You want to get it?
Don't worry about it, but you look very, very cute.
Such a big face on a wig, hairstyle, and such a. Thanks to Flex Artistry, honey. She never ceases to disappoint at all. She's always making sure Mickey Pad is slayed, honey. Non-extra, very simple. What shield me up.
Singers to Dad. Perhaps you did not hear the man. Yeah, perhaps you did.
Very nice.
Hear you?
Thank you, girl. Appreciate it. Alright guys, see you in the next. Alright guys, so I just finished doing my hair, and since I'm in the area, I'm gonna go to Brothers Produce Fish and Meat Market to get some nice clean fish and some real Jamaican seasoning and stuff. You know, so Christmas will come and your girl's gonna cook. Alright, so that's where I will be going. Oh, sorry. That's okay. They were cheaper up here than where, but these are what I really want. See? $10 a pound. Don't so? All yellowtail stuff at $8 a pound. So I'm gonna buy it here. Look at them pretty. So I'm gonna pick up a couple of these. I'll get some yellowtail ones. And then I'm gonna buy piece of the crayfish. Okay, may I try buy it with the mask. I don't think I want my start to get the car around this here. I don't know, really like. I got oop. These corns are. That's also them have nice fresh produce. May I look for okra, but I don't see no okra, girl. Oh, they have okra. And so when I broke the focus, when I broke the top, if it broke easy, that means that they're not tough. So I'm gonna check them and come back. That is good, man. I'm gonna have time. I'm gonna have a good try. Let's see. I don't know. People in produce really fresh and nice. I always buy here when we usually live up here. So I say, since we're so close by, I'm gonna vlog. Just come over here and vlog. Oh God, here look. It thin, but I like it. Alright, I'm gonna finish search for my stuff then. Alright, soon come back. Back at home. Why the ear light bad? It make it look like a mine. I'ma just cream out my ear or something. But anyways, quick story on this wig. It's a free wig. So I used to buy a wig from a wig company, and they had a raffle and they spin the wheel and it fall upon my name, and the people them say I win free wig. This is a free wig. Yeah, so true. They may not really my style of wig. May have one bob wig where love dearest. I go put it up here so. So I see the type of ear them I'm like. This now just for wear sake, I'm gonna wear it. But shout out to Flex Artistry, honey. She slayed the hell out of it, girl. I'm telling you, girl. So when I remove here, so and I go to the trouble tea. But I just come back tired, come to run. So around my go buy fish and crayfish, crayfish shrimp. Yeah, crayfish you call it. I go buy that and some other stuff. I want Jamaican store. Cause I usually live up that side. I usually go there. So yeah, now I'm back. Not till I go catch my bread cause I soon have to go pick up Nana. But yeah, this is our Vlogmas day 21. It's going, girl. I need to shave my eyebrow, but that's another day for another time, tomorrow or so. Anyways, best up on a nice clean self. If we're gonna see me come back, see you in the Vlogmas day 22. That's all. Alright, people, stay blessed, stay strong, stay sweet. Bye, guys. It just look like a man, you know. But anyways.